Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Capricorn Earth sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this is monthly reading guys, so take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your recent past Capricorn. The Hangman, Ten of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Yeah, I think in recent past, one person is spiritually awakened in this connection. It could be your person. Definitely they are stuck. Literally they are stuck on their person and they're thinking about the relationship a lot. So one person in this connection thinking about the other person a lot. And Ten of Pentacles with Three of Cups. Definitely in recent past, you both are reconciled. Definitely you both were reconciled in recent past. There is reunion. If it is not, definitely you both will reunion in near future. Definitely there will be reconciliation if you are not in union, but in recent past most of you are in union. Okay guys, your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some more what is going on your connection right now, Capricorn. See, Ten of Swords, Knight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I think some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Definitely there are some new cycles are already begin or are going to be begin between both of you, because Ten of Swords is rebirth. Definitely rebirth, and one person want rebirth in this connection. Already you are in union, and one person is very passionate about the other person. It could be your person, Knight of Wands. They are very passionate about this connection. And Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. Yeah, long-term commitment is coming in your way, Capricorn, or you want to offer this commitment to your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Someone coming towards you. Definitely Knight of Wands. They are very passionate about you. They want new beginnings with you and they want to offer Ace of Pentacles. If you are not in union, if you are in union, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level, or you want to take this relationship to next level. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. King of Swords, the Hierophant, High Priestess. I think you are trusting your higher self, Capricorn. Definitely this time you are listening to intuition. Intuition never goes wrong because your God's with you. Definitely you are trusting your higher self. Yeah, have fun. Definitely some commitment issue. I think in past there are some commitment issues between you and your person, but now there is commitment is coming and you will get clarity, or you want to give clarity to your person. Definitely I think you are very straightforward person and very honest person in this connection. You always speaks truth. Definitely you are very honest in this connection, Capricorn. Yeah, someone is ready to commit to you, or you want to commit to your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate, but I am getting strong message that you are trusting your higher self. You are listening to higher self. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely there is some commitment, long-term commitment, and coming in your way. Your relationship is going to be next level, Capricorn. So let's see your person near future actions and their current feelings towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going on your connection right now. First we will see your person current feelings. Five of Swords, 2 times High Priestess, Six of Wands. Yeah, they're thinking about the disputes between both of you. Five of Swords. In past there were some disputes between you and your person. Yeah, they are also listening to their higher self, and they see you as the Empress. Definitely you stand by your power. You are listening to higher self. Definitely they want success in this connection. Six of Wands. They see you like a successful person. Yeah, they want success in this connection. They want you back if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. They are also listening to higher self. I think here intuition playing key role in your connection. I think your connection is you both are in soulmate connection or twin flame connection. Definitely, this is a strong connection. You both know about each other that you are soulmates. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see your person near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Four of Swords. Hierophant, 2 times Hierophant. Princess of Cups. I think you both are not talking to each other right now because Four of Swords for some. Definitely your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. The person, I think, stuck. Hangman, I think it could be your person, Capricorn. Definitely they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. After that, definitely they will come towards you because they realize the feelings for you. Yeah, they realize they have strong emotions for you, Princess of Cups. Definitely they want to message you, and they want to express their feelings, and they want to and commit to you. Yeah, they want to propose you, they want to marry you. If you are not married and if you are not committed in your person relationship, definitely they want to commit to you, and they want to offer marriage proposal also. If you are in relationship, if you are in reunion, definitely if you are in union, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, after healing. Yeah, because Four of Swords is undergoing some healing process, and they're thinking about you a lot at that time and take the right decision. Definitely they have strong emotions for you, and this is very, very strong connection. I think High Priestess, I think it is this connection is protected by angels. I am getting protected by your gods, your higher self. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is destined in near future. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate. Energy could be vice versa. Lot of Two of Wands, Two of Swords, Four of Cups, King of Pentacles. Yeah, I think one person still at some crossroads I'm getting, because Two of Swords is here. Definitely one person at some confusion state. It could be you or your person. I think your person may be at some confusion state in past. Definitely Four of Cups with Two of Swords. They don't know to accept the cup of love which is offered by you or not, because they are at some crossroads, or you may be at some crossroads. Energy could be vice versa. They are thinking about you a lot. There is no doubt about it. Two of Wands, these are mutual energies, and Two of Wands means long distance relationship, and one person thinking about the other person a lot. I think your person thinking about you a lot. And King of Pentacles, definitely they're ready to offer long-term commitment to you, long-term stability. Yeah, they are going to be choose you, there is no doubt, because they want to marry you. They have strong emotions for you. In initial stage, definitely they are at some confusion, but after that they will going to be choose you. Definitely they are thinking about you day and night. I think they are losing their nights over you, thinking about you. And King of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer this long-term commitment to you, Capricorn. Yeah, I think you also thinking about your person a lot, because these are mutual energies. Definitely your person is coming back. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in relationship, they want to marry you. Yeah, so let's see, Capricorn, your overall energy for the month. 10 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 7 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles. What is this energy? Definitely you are holding back your feelings this time. 7 of Swords. I think one person in this connection is sneaky. There is a miscommunication, false communication between both of you. And 7 of Wands with 10 of Wands. I think somewhere in life you're feeling very, very burdened in another area of like work pressure. Definitely there you are feeling overburdened. And 7 of Wands. Definitely you want this connection, and you also don't want to give up on this connection. For some you don't want to give up, for some you are defensive. Yeah, I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, but now you want to give up on this connection for some, but your person is coming back because you only the person feeling overburdened, you only the person taking all the responsibility about the relationship. That's why you are feeling like this. Let's see your person overall energy for the month. Yeah, 4 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and Princess of Pentacles. Definitely communication, they want to communicate you will get some message. And Hanged, definitely they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. 5 of Pentacles, separation for some, and 4 of Cups. Yeah, there is still confusion. They want, they are going to be choose you, there is no doubt. Definitely they are undergoing some healing process. Definitely they are asking their higher self about this relationship. Yeah, so definitely you both thinking about each other a lot. Definitely this relationship is going to be next level. Long-term commitment is coming. But it will take time because right now your person at some confusion state, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.